Hello, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install apps onto your SD card on your Android phone. So this is easy. Let's go to the top right and go to settings and scroll on down under here. So we're going to go to where it says About Phone. Now under About Phone, if we scroll on down, we want to go to where it says Software Information. Now your phone could be a little bit different than my Samsung, but let's go on over to Build Number. And we have to tap this 5 times to turn on developer mode. Now go back. Under the main settings menu, we should see developer options. We can go do this now. And we have to look for something called force allow external apps. So I'm just going to go to the top because I don't want to search for it. Under developer options, force allow. And we should see something on here. Developer options is in there. Force allow external apps. I'm just going to tap it and it'll scroll all the way down for me. As you can see, it's pretty far down there. Now we can go to force allow external apps and just simply turn this on. So I have this turned on now. Once we have it turned on, we can go to the top right and go to settings and go down to apps. Locate apps right here and then go to an application. So here's Adobe Acrobat. Then go to storage. And you can see storage used. We can change this now. And we can change the storage location over to my SD card. So I can install this app on an SD card now. Very easy. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below.